How to add notebook in OneNote. So if you want to add a notebook to OneNote, then first open up your OneNote application. And now you can simply go for file, which will be on the upper left. And here you can choose new and then select a place where you would like to save your new notebook. So I'll be choosing this PC and then name, simply give a name to it and hit the enter. And once you've done, here you will have your notebook. And here you need to give a name or a title to your page. So simply give a title, and you can also add some pages. You can go for the right and then you can go for add page, and then you can again give a title to your next page, and that's it. Or you can also add another section, so you can go for the plus which is here on the upper right and then click on create a new session so that you will have another session. So that's it. That's how you add pages, and now you can write anything on your notebook. And that's it. That's how you create your new notebook on your OneNote, or that's how you add a notebook to your OneNote. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.